Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to tag someone on Facebook. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Right now you can see that I'm on the home page of Facebook application. Now at the top right corner you can see icon button, tap on it. Now you have to go to your profile. For that, tap on your profile name. Right now you can see that I'm on the profile section. Now if you scroll down you can see there is a section post and what's on your mind. You have to tap on that space, and here is where you can easily post anyone and tag anyone. So if I just write anything like this is my birthday, something like that, or any news or any photo if you want to post. Okay, now at the second place you can see a tag button here. Tap on it, and here is the list of the friends, and from where you can choose any of them, like that, and that's how. If I just go back you can see that my name with the particular friends. That's how easily you can just tag someone. And there is another way you can just tag someone at the first place. If I just discard this post, I can go to the what's on your mind. You can see at the second place there is a tag people. You can just tag people at first, like that, or you can search from here. After that, go back, they're already tagged, and you can upload photo from the photo or video, like that, and you can write anything you want and you can just post it from the top right corner. So that's how easily you can tag someone on Facebook. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.